Welcome back to Ainish Kitchen. Every morning, we moms have a dilemma of what's for breakfast. So today, I have come up with a 5-minute breakfast recipe that's very simple and we all know it. It's called pancake. But today, I'm going to use a unique ingredient for my pancake recipe, which is filled with lots of nutrients and vitamins. In my recent visit to a local farm, I got my hands on some fresh carrots. And I was wondering what would I do with the leaves of the carrot. These greens are full of chlorophyll and it helps to heal the skin and body toxins. The carrot greens have a lot of nutrients and vitamins. The greens have 6 times more vitamin C than the roots. It's little bitter in taste, but it has a complex flavor and it can be combined with any other herbs to make it as a dip or salad. But today I'm going to use it in my recipe and as a disguise to any other vegetables. So let's check out how we are going to make the carrot topping pancakes. For this recipe, I'm taking 1 cup of chickpea flour, also known as besan, 3 teaspoons of rice flour, 2 teaspoons of semolina. And for some spices, I am adding turmeric powder, half a teaspoon of cumin seeds powder, and some flavonoid vegetables like half onion, 1 tomato, and few green chili. And these all ingredients, I'm going to mix it well with buttermilk. If no buttermilk, you can combine and mix them all with plain water. Since this is a 5-minute breakfast recipe, I am using a food processor to chop my vegetables. I am roughly chopping my carrot greens and there it goes in the food processor. Half an onion, that also I am roughly chopping it. 1 tomato, rough chopping them, and some chilies. I would like to have my pancakes a bit spicier, so I'm just going to add 1.5 chili. There it all goes into the food processor and then I'm going to mince them very fine. The same process you can do with a knife on a chopping board. The vegetables are finely minced. To this, now I am going to add the chickpea flour, rice powder, semolina, the spices, and to mix them all, I am going to add 500 ml of buttermilk. If needed, you can add more buttermilk. And finally, some salt to taste. There it goes, blending all of them. If you do not have a food processor, the same process you can do with a whisker. The batter is ready and now it's time to prepare our pancakes. Look at the consistency of the batter. It's very thin and all the vegetables have been minced very finely into the batter. I'm heating a pan and adding half a teaspoon of ghee or butter. Pour a ladle of batter onto the hot pan and spread it out as thin as possible. Cover it and cook it for a minute or so. And then flip them over. The carrot topping pancake is ready. And I'm going to serve it with some coconut chutney and tomato onion chutney. If you would like to try out the recipe of tomato onion chutney, I have given the link on my description box below. Please do check it out. This breakfast has to be served it hot and can be packed in tiffins. Now it's taste time. This is so delicate and soft pancakes. Pop into your mouth. You can never believe that there is carrot greens in these pancakes. Super yummy taste. And at the same time I can get the spicy hint of the chili. This is super yummy and easy 5-minute breakfast recipe. Next time when you see carrot greens, never throw it off. Use it into your dosas, pancakes or as a pesto. I hope you love this recipe. And do leave a comment if you have any suggestions. I'm going to have another bite. Bon appetit!